Hey beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making some delicious glazed coconut donuts. You will need 1 cup of warm milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we are going to add 2 3/4 cups of flour, and half a teaspoon of salt. Grab a dish, oil it, place the dough in the dish, cover it and leave it for an hour. Use a piping nozzle or a bottle cap to make a circle in the center. Cover the donuts to rise for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna deep fry our donuts until they're golden brown on both sides. Onto our glaze, you will need some melted butter, icing sugar, vanilla essence, and a bit of milk. Sprinkle the donuts with some coconut. And bon appetit! Enjoy!